This is the Tactical Scalper. And what a day today was. We will call it payday. So let's just go ahead and recap this whole swing. If you see the arrow right down there, about an equal amount of calls and puts. When the calls got to about 65 to 70% at 394, I sold the calls. Then the next day, which was Friday, which is this big green bar up there, when it got to around 400, I added more puts and I bought another set of calls. So now at this point, I have 3 times as many puts as I do calls. And then we kind of look over to yesterday, and really nothing happened. I didn't do anything with the position. I just maintained the set of 3 sets amount of calls, or puts rather, versus the calls. It just sat there, theta ate away a little bit, but that was fine. And then today, I was able to sell the whole position. I ended up getting about 15% on the puts, with 3 times as many. I actually sold them near the bottom, which is rare. I got sold them right at 394. So, in closing, I got, let's just say, 65% on the calls going up. I got about 15% on the puts going down because I averaged down around the 400 mark. And on the calls that I bought around the 400 mark, I lost about 15% as well. But I had 3 times as many puts. So it was a fantastic swing trade. I was totally safe and just played spy like a fiddle. I played her both ways. I am now in a brand new position. Again, I have an equal amount of calls and an equal amount of puts that I just entered here around 396. So I have 10 calls and 10 puts for 50 days out, but I know a little over a month and a half. And we're just going to let it play out over the next 2 to 3 days and see if we can do that again. This is a Tactical Scalper out. And today was payday, and it was amazing.